With the continuous development of smart cities, digitalization and intelligence have become the mainstream trend of the times. As an internationally accepted standard protocol for intelligent lighting, DALI boasts the core advantages of precise control, intelligent energy efficiency, and flexible scalability, creating smarter, more energy efficient and more comfortable lighting environments for various buildings, commercial scenarios and public spaces. Meanwell has been deeply engaged in the LED lighting application sector for many years and has launched a wide range of products compliant with the DALI-2 standard. From LED drivers, controllers and touch panels to sensors, Meanwell has built a complete DALI-2 digital lighting system, providing one-stop solutions for the LED lighting needs of smart buildings. Therefore, Meanwell has specially launched the DALI-2 Smart Lighting System Demo Kit, featuring the DLC-02 as the main controller, DLS series sensors and DTP series touch panels as input devices, and SBWM DA2Q, XLG XLAN XLC DA2 series as LED drivers. This kit demonstrates a complete DALI-2 lighting system solution, realizing constant voltage, constant current, dimming, color tuning, group control and scene control functions. In addition, with the PR sensor, intelligent control of light on when people come, light off when people leave in corridors can be realized. Next, we will demonstrate the functions of the DALI-2 Demo Kit. Buttons 1, 2, 4 and 5 on the touch panel control the lighting changes of the outdoor lights, indoor lights and RGBW lights respectively. Button 3 is for group scene setting, and button 6 is for group off control. The corridor lights are not controlled by the buttons. They are automatically adjusted only by the PR sensor. Short press the button to turn the light on or off. Long press the button to brighten or dim the light. Double press the button to set the single light scene. Set group scene. Set RGBW color cycle. Group off. When the PR sensor detects no occupancy, the corridor light will automatically turn off after a 15-second delay. When occupancy is detected, the corridor light will automatically turn on, achieving energy-saving effects. Please stay tuned to Meanwell product hauls for more professional products and solutions. For product inquiries or technical support, please contact the Meanwell technical service team. We are ready to serve you at any time. Thank you for watching.